Hey, so I'm going to walk you through this sheet here and kind of how it works out. We'll do step by step. So the first step is keywords. So I'm going to get you to come here to this program, and it's actually Supreme SEO. It's $12 a month US. I'll send you the cash for that so you can sign up for it. So this kind of has some different things that you'll be using for different stuff as we go. But what you'll want to do is come in, and after you log in, you'll have a dashboard here, and you click Keyword Finder. Okay, so on your list, I'll actually have the service under the keywords here in this section, so you know exactly what it is. If you get like something like towing service, the keywords are going to be pretty much universal, unless it has a city name in it, which we won't want to use. We just want to use the keywords, like for example, if it's towing, it'd be tow truck, long distance towing, whatever the keywords are. So we're going to search them right now. And again, like with towing, we're not really going to change the city or whatever, but as we go and do different niches and different services, like I just load them in. If I don't have the keywords already listed in here with a link, which I'm going to show you how to do, you're going to create them yourself, because at that time we'll be probably too busy to do them. But it's super simple to do. What you'll want to do again is come into this keyword finder. We're not going to use a city, we're going to use a state. So you can use, like for example, if we were going in the United States, we wouldn't want to use this, the country, but we would want to use, let's say, I don't know, Texas. Okay, and that's what we do. But right now we're going to use British Columbia because we're actually doing a property in British Columbia. So let's just take a look. And then we're going to search in towing. Okay, so this is going to give us different keyword ideas that we can use. And what we'll want to do is come over here to the search volume. We want to optimize for keywords that are getting searched the most. You can see tow truck is the #1 term. So let's just take all of these, copy them. We'll go down, well, let's get like 10 to 15. Oh, I gotta do that over again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, whatever this is. So we get quite a bit of keywords here. We're going to copy them, and then we're going to come over to Google Sheets here, and we are going to create a sheet. Okay, and we are just going to copy and paste them into the cells. Okay, now we have, oh, I gotta actually remove some of this stuff here. Let me undo that. And paste special, I think you just put values only. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, and what I'm going to do is just delete these rows because they're pointless for us. So come here. It's kind of a task, but you'll get used to it. Delete. So what I'm trying to do here is just leave the keywords. Again, this is why we're only grabbing like 10 to 15, but we only need that many. We don't need more than that. Okay. Oh, here we go. Okay, it's just only ended up with these ones, even though I copied the other ones. It's fine, we'll just use these ones. Okay, and then what we're going to do is insert some check boxes, or tick boxes. Okay, I'm just going to copy these. Oh, hold on. Okay, let's make sure one's there. Okay, so good. Now we have our keywords, and we're going to name the sheet towing keywords. Okay, now that we have it, we're going to share it, and we're going to get the link for everyone here. Copy the link. I'm going to come over here to our checklist, and we're going to click on the keywords. We're going to hit Control K, or actually you can just right click it and insert link, and then you paste the link to that sheet here. So now you have the keywords. So if you need to go take a look at the keywords, it'll open up the sheet, and you can see as we're going through, I'll show you how to use the keywords in the next videos.